Welcome back, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. I just did a recent trip to Home Depot to check out some of the Labor Day sales, and man, the one by my house, they're getting rid of all the Ridgid stuff, all the older Ryobi stuff, and everything is on clearance, and there's a lot of good freaking deals. I wish I would have had some more money, or fun money that the wife lets me spend. Check out this. The Ridgid Wobble Light, normally 100 bucks, half off, $49. They had a whole stack of them. So, we're going to review this bad boy real quick. We're going to unbox it, go over it and see if it's worth the 49 bucks or not. Hit that intro. Alright guys, I'm going to adjust the camera so you get a top view, and let's unbox it. This thing is so massive, it's kind of hard to get in frame, so forgive me if it's not 100% in frame here. I can't believe I saw this. I came around the corner and they had a whole stack of them. Maybe it's a piece of junk, maybe it's an awesome light, but I figured it's a wobble light, so it's an area light that would be great for in the backyard when we're having barbecues and whatnot, and down the basement when we're putting up drywall, you know? Frickin' why not? And if it sucks, well, I'm sure I could resell this on Craigslist or something for 60 bucks and probably make $10 off of it. If I would have had more money, I probably would have bought a couple more. Alright, we got some cardboard. We have the standard list of wish list tools. More cardboard, more cardboard, more cardboard. Whoa! There's a whole lot of cardboard. Nothing. Alright, don't want to throw the box too far because we're going to need that to go over all the stats. So actually, I know nothing about this light. Except for that it's a wobble light and it's an area sight light. Ooh, orangey orange. So it looks like, oh, it's a hybrid light as well. I'm sure you guys know more about this than I do, because I know this came out several years ago. Hybrid, AC plug was right there. The door flaps up. Brought out my 3 amp OCTANE battery. Pop it in. Got full bars on the battery. See it? The one thing I've always liked about Ridgid is that all their lights have dimmers. Bing! Alright, let's make it dark in here. Alright, it's pretty dark in here. Well, as dark as it's going to get during the day. So that's down all the way. Hit it for off. Hit it again. That's as bright as it goes. Huh. It's not very bright. What do you think? Oh, it's heavy as hell though. I suppose it was pitch black out. Maybe that's why a lot of people didn't like this, because it's only 1,000 lumens. Where the Milwaukee, all the tower lights are well over 2,000 lumens, you know. I think it'll work. You know, it's not bad. 49 bucks. Alright, let's go over the stats of this bad boy. See what it says here. Where are the stats on the box? So, this is part of the Gen 5X lineup, hybrid area light, up to 75 hours of runtime with variable light power dial. 75 hours of runtime with what battery? It doesn't say. Oh, the lowest setting using a 5 amp hour battery, you can 75 hours. So on high, you're probably looking at 3 or 4 hours. 1,000 lumens. 360 degree light output. Directs light in every direction to illuminate the entire work area. 1,000 lumens with variable power dial. 75 hours runtime. Oh! And I dropped the box. Temperature control electronics protects the LED from overheating. Battery door keeps dirt and debris out of the battery port. Integrated cord wrap. What is that? I don't know what they mean by integrated cord wrap. Is that has this little port here so the extension cord doesn't get kinked in it? Self-writing design. That's pretty slick. I do like that. There's no weight or anything listed on it. Like I said, guys, this is a very impromptu video. I just picked this up. I really don't know much about it. I've never had one, so this is kind of my first one. Don't forget, guys, you can shoot over to Instagram and say hi over there. I did create an account a few months back. I think it's just making stuff and breaking stuff at Instagram or something like that. If you type in making stuff and breaking stuff, I'll pop up. You'll see me. I try to post previews of stuff that I'm going to tape. Show my age here. Record. Like I know I posted stuff about the DeWalt M12 impact driver, and usually stuff like that I post over there. Nothing too special. I did post when I see really good sales at Home Depot or something. I'll post on Instagram as well. So go over there, say hi, follow or subscribe, whatever it is. I don't even know. Yeah, that's really all I have for this light. That was a sweet deal. Check your local Home Depots. A lot of good sales going on now. They had the Ryobi hedge clipper. Not the big one, but the medium-sized one was $12. All the summer stuff's clearance. The LED lights, the 6-packs, was $10. I was going to buy those, but I figured I'd get them later. So I think the sales, the clearancing out is going till September 8th. So check it out. Subscribe, guys. A lot of good content coming out. Have a blessed day. Thanks for your time. See ya.